So welcome back to another spooky mail video. So I have some shirts to show you guys that I got. So this I got off of Depop. It's a shop where you can sell things. You can sell things. I just got home from work, and you can get some new items. This looked pretty much new, and I thought it would be really cool. You can see it's orange. I'm more gonna use this to like hang up. So I thought it'd be really cool to do that. So here it is. It's this and I can wear this as a night show as well. But it has a black little kitten to it. Has a pumpkin. It says trick or treat. And then it says Happy Halloween on the bottom. So yeah, I was gonna even like turn this into a picture frame, or like honestly I might use this as a night show, because it's actually the size, it's like large or extra large, I forget what it is. So I was gonna use it as a picture frame, but honestly I think I'm just gonna wear it as a shirt. So she even did a little letter. Says, "Hey Emily, I hope you love your spooky top. Take a picture and tag me on Instagram for a discount on your next order." Oh, that's nice. That's pretty nice. So yeah, I actually might wear that as, because I was, like I said, I was gonna put it in the picture frame, because I actually did that once with another shirt. But I think that would be really cute to wear for bedtime when it's spooky time. So yeah.